do not tell anyone.
Yeah.
What you see here is what gonna stay here. What you listen here, you're not gonna tell anyone. Shh. Can you keep it?
Easy, Roro! On the clock, man. You standing like this. 10 darling trees, 10 out of 10. If you never know, shut up with 10. Right, yesterday I make 2 years since your baby, baby girl. I bring food to feel. I bring you sweets, my dear, okay? Have a little help. You know your mommy crazy, never lazy. I'm here to come see you. Do the queen rave, queen rave. Baby girl, 2 years ago we put you down this song. Yesterday you don't know, I have a long day, a long journey. Plus you. But see me today smiling. Big up yourself. Love you, Ron. Oh my God, it's weird. Oh, bless her. Go back to Birmingham now, baby. I do the movie, you know the score.
Yeah.
What, Mamash?
Well, go on, lady.
R.I.P. my fitness. Benching down.
No, no.
Life is a fight for this. You know, my birthday will come up, girl. My birthday will come up in 2 weeks and 5 days.
2 weeks and 5 days.
Faith in life is. Rory, you know that song is in tribute for you, isn't it? Like, what's the song? What's the pretty song? Anita. Hello, Jeffy, also. Alright, please,
This is Asha Bash representing for Sandy and Bones TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe to that channel because Rotate for Sandy and Bones TV. Watch out, walk on over the road. Rotate for Sandy and Bones TV. Yeah, never scatter. Boom.
1 star. Jinx, Uzi, Titanium, Uzi. No more. Them don't know what them a chat to Mario. God, man. Them don't know what them a talk to. Don't know them a talk to.
What is song the name? Huh? Juicy ain't it? Black hypocrisy.
Oh God, man. Enough for them in a Mari.
Sunken ship. Aphrodisiac. May I love
Aphrodisiac
language.
Some of them don't release it, Mona.
I collaborate with artists, the biggest artists.
Me hear all of them, Mari.
I have in Australia. I have some with Asian.
Good Girls Gone Bad. I like Good Girls Gone Bad. All of them.
Good Girls Gone Bad. You know the song, them.
Yeah.
And you don't want to go on like some me's now sing around here when me's international.
You been to do this for a while, Mari. Them just see it for you there.
The first song, Get a Child.
Get a Child.
And you know, you think say you can't just sit around here and talk about you're the queen and that.
Mari, they don't want to a song like Needing You.
You feel say you can't just lick me in my head and take my powers. Me reverse that on your blood clot. Me tell you, bitch, you will crash.
No man, Mari. Sorry for them.
You better repent.
Sorry for them, Mari.
Bitch, because you see when the spirit where she left for me, when me couldn't, when me know say me have to get rid of it, and my grand pitney them make me continue to live after the girl lick me in my head, you know. Me just have to say Prince and Omarion in front of my face. You understand? The boys them. You understand? And Luna, you know. And Chanel baby, me see them in front of my face and fight, you know. I fight off the spirit when me see stop with for me, you know. And you know what? I crash you, I go blood clot crash if you not repent. You better repent. Because I did you no wrong. None whatsoever. So I'm going to say, why you are going to listen to your other man where you call pastor? And listen to him and try to hurt me. Right now, you know, she could have this thing, you know, I travel with the whole entourage, you know, can me not just walk into singing, you know, it's either helicopter or motorcade have to carry this blood clot, you know.
Mara, I'm sorry for them, man.
You would be right there sipping champagne, backstage and everything, but you will not get that privilege, dog shit, free complimentary ticket and everything. You understand? And after sing, all the interviews, traveling the world and everything, you would have been right there with me, but no, bitch. You're too bold to put your hands on me. Don't you hear the Lord say, touch not my anointed and do my prophets no harm? I want to do them.
Mari, next year them day the sting. Queenie better pray she not fear to put that the stage.
Anthony,
But I tell you.
just now you said Queenie, and all I heard was Queenie don't exist. Even saying her name,
God,
there is no energy, there is no power on that name. Because
it did long time, Mari.
One thing we don't like around here is anything that is not authentic, anything that is real, it eventually have to die. You understand? True. God now gonna make a bunch of flowers that grow up, and he allowed the weed to grow in the midst of the bunch of flowers. But then the gardener, who is Jesus Christ, gonna pass through and pull out the weed. So she done pull out and pluck out. You understand? Because that's the only way for me to really shine. Because if God don't pull you out and pluck you out, you're gonna strangle me, bitch.
True, man.
And that's what we say. Anthony, may I go hit the road?
Yeah, man.
Yourself to be a true Amari fan. And today, I crown you as a knight. For Sakabalingri Okobale.
True, Amari. Safe flight, man.
God say yes, God will bless it. Sandy and Bones TV. Tune into Sandy and Bones TV for the latest updates throughout the world. Sandy and Bones TV crazy, never leave it. The Queen is here. Mwah!